Yay!
Pussy! Fuck! Why do I always run out of conditioner before shampooing? I'm kinda hungry. What the fuck? Fuck are you doing in there? Why don't you get the fuck out? This is my fucking refrigerator, you stupid fucking pussy. Oh, you're just asking for it. How the hell did you even get in here? How the hell did you even get in here? Not talking, huh? How do you like this? Pussy. I was in Jordan's school yesterday, and I've gotta say, most of his friends are pretty fucking retarded. But I did talk to some of them, and well, it's really hard to communicate with such imbeciles, but I give it a shot. So are those real? Bullshit. Oh, I'm sorry. Do you think you're stupid?
Most times.
I know, right? Fucking pussies. Oh yeah, and guess what? I found one thing that me and Jordan have in common. We both love chai tea. Oh, pussy. So I'm thinking my next mission is going to be to find new characters for the show. Maybe other puppets that I can insult and torment. Au revoir for now. See you next time on the Mr. Death Show.
Control, I control, I control, I control, I control, I